ACEET, a well-known modern shipbuilding supplier in South Korea, chose us to customize this ultra-heavy and ultra-long laser pipe cutting machine K36. As their business continues to expand, they are seeking advanced pipe cutting equipment to improve productivity and reduce costs while ensuring cutting accuracy. This K36 perfectly provides them with an intelligent and efficient solution for heavy-duty pipe cutting. The product adopts a 3-chuck clamping design, effectively solving the pain points of difficult processing of heavy and long pipes. At the same time, it can greatly reduce the waste of raw materials for pipes, reduce costs, and increase efficiency.